Imagine losing your phone tomorrow. Your contacts can be replaced, apps can be downloaded again, but thousands of personal photos and videos from family moments, vacations, and important memories could be gone forever. That's why photo backup is one of the first things you should set up on any smartphone. Today I'll show you how to back up photos on Samsung Galaxy phones using Samsung Galaxy Gallery with OneDrive, and I'll also explain where Google Photos fits in because Samsung users have multiple options. So before we start, there is something important to understand. Samsung phones can use different backup services, but they do different things. Samsung Cloud is mainly used for Samsung settings and data like Samsung Notes, settings, contacts, layout preferences. Samsung no longer uses Samsung Cloud as the main place for storing gallery photos. For photos and videos, Samsung works closely with Microsoft OneDrive. Then there is Google Photos, which is available on almost every Android phone. So you have two popular photo backup choices. OneDrive, great if you use Microsoft services. It works directly with Samsung Gallery. And then there is Google Photos. It works across Android phone and iPhone and computers. So easy photo search and organizations. Alright, so open the gallery. Open the gallery app. So this is the gallery, right? This. Open that. Okay. As you can see, okay. So open the gallery and then you go to settings. First go to menu here. Tap menu. That's menu, and then to settings. And as you can see, my OneDrive is already connected. Connected. So tap to check yours. You follow the same way. You open your gallery and you tap the menu icon to settings, and then look for where it says sync with OneDrive. So if you're setting it up for the first time, it will ask you to sign in to your Microsoft account or to create a Microsoft account, right? So once connected, your Samsung Gallery photos and videos can automatically sync to OneDrive. Okay. So now, before turning everything on, you can check your backup preferences. Check your backup. Tap to open the here, right? So first you have to turn on the sync option, right? To sync. But before turning everything on, you may want to decide whether you want to whether you want to camera photos backed up or screenshots backed up, downloaded images and stuff. So you tap here and you choose what you want backed up. Okay, backing up everything can use storage quickly. So if you have many videos, especially 4K videos, check your available OneDrive storage. Okay. All right, so now let's talk about Google Photos because many Samsung users already have it. Every Android phone has Google Photos. So you open the Google Photos. I usually will go to my app, Photos. Let me search for it here. Photos. So this is Google Photo. I have a lot of junk photos here. All right, so open your Google Photos and then tap your profile picture. Hold on, let's go to the beginning. Okay, so it will open here, Google Photos, and then tap your profile picture. So this is here, up there. I can. Okay, it's here. That one. Tap the Google the profile picture, and tap photo settings. See here, photo settings. That one. Tap photo settings, and then backup. Here, backup. You select to backup. All right, and So Google Photos can automatically save your photo and videos to your Google account. The advantage is that your pictures are easier to access from another Android phone, an iPhone, or even computer browser. All right, so if you mainly use Samsung devices, so which one should you use? Which one, if you have a Samsung, which one should you use? Here is a simple answer. If you mainly use Samsung devices, Samsung Gallery and OneDrive is a convenient option. If you switch between different brands, Google Photos may be easier. So some people use both, OneDrive for Samsung Gallery integration and Google Photo for extra access and organization. Just remember, avoid accidentally creating multiple backups that fill your storage. Alright, so for other Android phone, like I said, if you're using a phone that is not Samsung, you usually won't have Samsung Gallery or OneDrive integration. Instead, open Google Photos and tap your profile picture, go to phone settings, backup, turn backup on. So phones like Google Pixel, Motorola, OnePlus, Xiaomi, Tecno, Infinix may use Google Photo for automatic photo backup. So some common backup mistakes. A few things can stop your photo from backing up. Mistake number 1, assuming your photos are automatically saved. So always check backup status. Don't assume they automatically save. Mistake number 2, running out of cloud storage. Large videos can quickly use space. So, and mistake number 3, only backup. You only back up while on mobile data. For many users, Wi-Fi backup is the better option. All right. So, what am I saying? Your phone is replaceable. Your memories are not. Setting up photo backup takes only a few minutes, but it can save you years of important photos and videos. So let me know in the comments, do you use Samsung OneDrive backup or do you use Google Photos? See you in the next one.